babe. Look me up later and I'll buy you a drink, alright?
Where's Ham? Who's the girl?
Just somebody he was with.
500 G's, right? Now, let's check the merchandise. Take him out behind the building and blow him away. Shoot the girl, too. Shoot both of them.
Hey, man, what's this guy doing here? Thought you said the Iceman was gonna bring you your money. That guy ain't the Iceman.
You're just trying to save your ass, Reg.
That's bullshit, man. That ain't the Iceman. That guy is a cop. You getting set up.
You got the wrong guy. Don't take Cruz. Hello, Jack.
It's Christmas here, Willie. We can take them all. Hammond, the pig, the Iceman, the whole ball of wax.
That's him! That's the Iceman right there!
Pretty good, Jack. You always were a smart cop.
You know, Ben, I really didn't want to believe it.
Sorry to let you down, Jack.
All I want's the Iceman. You two take the money, get the hell out of here.
Ain't nobody leaving here with my money.
Money? I want the fucking Iceman! Yeah!
I needed leverage on you, Jack, and we're getting close.
can work this out. Just let me out of here.
You're a disgrace, Ben. Nothing worse than a bad cop.
Hey, Jack, thank you for a very pleasant day, okay? I got no car, I got no money, and I'm gonna fucking end the day off with this goddamn dope man's Uzi by my temple. Thank you, Jack. Look, this is Jack's day. Why don't you just let Jack shoot me? Save your bullets. Jack, why don't you shoot me? Shoot me, Jack!